With smoky conditions during the pandemic, some people may be wondering what mask to wear. KSBY News reporter Sydney Brandt spoke with some doctors who broke down the different masks and when to wear them.
Smoky air conditions covered the sky, creating unhealthy air qualities for nearly all regions on the Central Coast.
If you're exposed to the smoke, it can take 24 to 48 hours before you feel symptoms. So for like people who are working out there today, they may not notice anything until tomorrow or the next day.
I have asthma, so I'm like trying a little extra hard to keep the smoke out of my lungs with the double mask.
Linnea's in downtown San Luis Obispo has seen a drop in customers.
And we have to really keep all the doors and windows open because there's no AC, so it's very smoky in the cafe as well.
Almost 5 months into the pandemic, having masks on hand might not be a bad idea, but smoke versus viruses, the question is which one to choose.
Typically what we're seeing around a lot right now are simple face masks that everybody's wearing. And these are excellent at reducing the spread of viruses, but they are useless for air quality situations that we have now from wildfires.
One doctor recommends an N95 mask.
In general, an N95 mask is called an N95 because it blocks 95% or more of a certain particle size, and that particle size happens to be 0.3 microns.
But despite the protection, they can be hard to find. The Home Depot out of stock in San Luis Obispo and Santa Maria. One employee says they may not have them back on the shelves until July of 2021.
When the epidemic started, I had an N95 just because I was doing construction on a house and you always have to have a mask around. So I used that as long as I could. And since then, I have not seen one at all.
Making way through the pandemic and the smoke, now some people are dealing with both.
But again, if you can see the air, smell it, and taste it, it's probably pretty bad and you want to avoid that area.
Doctors recommending those to avoid the outdoors if possible. Reporting in San Luis Obispo, Sydney Brandt, KSBY News.
Health officials say N95 masks are the best protection against the air quality right now for those who are outdoors because they can filter small particulate matter of 0.3 microns or larger.